Day. Call 1-877-243-6587. That's 1-877-243-6587. Call now.
What makes me a weather geek, the fact that I love the weather, especially when it's hit me in the side of the face.
I'm going to ride this one out, guys.
Be one of the thousands of weather geeks out there at weloveweather.tv.
Currently in our area, 83 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Tonight, heavy thunderstorms, low 65. Friday, partly cloudy skies, high 89. Friday night, showers later at night, low 67. Chance of rain, 40%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
I'm severe weather expert Dr. Greg Forbes.